I've actually started doing a bit of an experiment at home with cuttings from vegetables and just seeing if it actually works. So I started off with a leek that we had. So this is 2 weeks worth of growth. You do need to change the water every day just to make sure that the plant will grow, and then there's no mold or bacteria that's going to stop it from growing or make it go all yuck. So, but you do notice after a while that you can see that the outside of it is gone a bit yuck. Now the best thing to do once that starts to stop it from going all moldy is just to remove it and let the new growth come through. So as you can see, after 2 weeks, it's grown a nice root system. Only have it in a small dish of water as well, so you're not completely covering the plant, and just put it up on a windowsill where it gets some nice light. Nothing else that I have done to it, no additional fertilizers, just plain water, and off you go. So once it's established a little bit more and I've got more of a root system, I will then go and plant it in the garden in a nice spot. And I've done the same thing with the shallots as well, and as you can see, the outsides of these are needing to be removed as it's starting to get a bit yucky. The same with the water. The water goes a bit murky overnight, and that is a definite yes, they need to be changed. This one definitely needs to be changed every day. It will have a pungent oniony smell to it as well. Just got to be super careful with these ones when removing all the skin, so you're not going to be damaging the rest of the shallot like I just did. Bugger. So let's see what I'll do with this one. I'll stick it back, see if it grows a root system. Let's see if we can remove this one without destroying the root system that we've got growing down the bottom here. Even if we take the thinnest layer off, because it is really slimy. Okay, we've had some success with this one without ruining it. So it's easy to obviously pull off the root system, or maybe this one just wasn't working right. So at least I gave it a go. It has worked with one of them. As you can see, the shallot has grown quite a fair bit. So that's success. This, we'll see how it goes. See if it grows another root system. If not, well, you know, we gave it a go. We've got a new shoot happening down the bottom here anyway. There may be some roots that will come through, but you know, we'll just have to wait and see. I'll change the water, let it go for another couple of days. If a root system forms, then that's great. If it doesn't, then it doesn't. So it's just trial and error really with these things. I hope that's been interesting for you on how to regrow your own vegetables from little cuttings or from just leftover from dinner time, where you're not actually growing, you're not using the whole shallot, but you just cut off the bottom of the root system and then stick it in the water and see how you go. And the same with the leek, we just cut off the bottom of the root system and stuck it in water and see how we went, and we've had some success, so that's a bonus. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you next time, and don't forget to like and subscribe on our channel, and I'll see you guys soon. Okay, bye.